Have you ever seen a seahorse before? These fascinating little creatures are quite special. Unlike most fish, they don't swim horizontally but upright, just like a horse galloping through the sea. And their sizes? They range from as tiny as a paperclip to as big as a banana. Now, where can we find these amazing creatures? Seahorses are typically found in shallow tropical and temperate waters, especially near coastlines and coral reefs. And guess what? There are about 50 different species of seahorses. That's a lot of variety for such a small creature, isn't it? From the tiny pygmy seahorse, no bigger than a fingernail, to the bigger Pacific seahorse, they all share the same unique shape and charm. Each species is a marvel in its own right, as they come in all sorts of colors and patterns. Isn't it amazing to know that these tiny creatures can be found all around the world? Do you want to know what makes seahorses so special? Well, let's dive in. Seahorses are fascinating creatures with some truly unique characteristics. For starters, they have the ability to change color. Yes, you heard right. They can change their color to blend in with their surroundings and hide from predators. It's like their very own cloak of invisibility. And have you noticed their eyes? They can move each eye independently, looking in two different directions at the same time. Imagine being able to watch your favorite show and read a book at the same time. And here's how seahorses eat. They suck in tiny animals through their snout like a vacuum cleaner, no chewing involved. But perhaps the most amazing thing about seahorses is that it's the male who carries the babies. That's right. The male seahorse has a pouch on his belly where he carries the eggs until they hatch. So you see, seahorses are not only unique in appearance but also in their behaviors. Now that we know about these fascinating creatures, how can we help protect them? You might wonder. Well, it's important to understand the threats that seahorses face. One of the main threats is habitat loss, as seahorses live in delicate ecosystems that can be easily damaged. Another threat is their capture for the aquarium trade, which can lead to a decrease in their population. So, how can we help? One of the best ways is to learn more about seahorses and their needs. The more we know, the better we can protect them. We can also spread awareness about the threats they face. Talk to your friends, your family, and your teachers about seahorses and why they're so important. We can also support organizations that work to protect seahorses and their habitats. They do important work and can always use more help. Remember, every small effort counts when it comes to protecting our wonderful seahorse friends.